Yes, guys, we are back again with another big video. You understand? Yes, just like they not like us. Okay, please subscribe to Silk Reacts right now if you're not a minor. But first, we're gonna get right into it right now. Subscribe, guys. Dababy, not like us freestyle. We're gonna get right into it right now and see what this guy.
People wonder why I ain't running from nothing, cause my mama with the shits and my big brothers was thugging, nigga. I used to try to thug it with my big brothers. They used to tell me, goddamn, nigga, nah, hell nah, nigga, take your ass in the house, nigga, fuck you doing, nigga. They let my friend hit the blunt, nigga, he over here with me. People wonder why I ain't running from nothing, cause my mama with the shits and my big brothers was thugging, nigga. Look, sometimes you gotta pop out and punk niggas. Like even if my mama fuck with you, I wouldn't fuck with you. Go ask her. Nigga, I wouldn't share a motherfucking blunt with you. And I wouldn't walk up on me if you ain't got your motherfucking gun with you. I'm blasted. Niggas go run in their mouth, you see what happened. Nigga, I'm from the south where we get active. Nigga gon' watch his mouth, but we gon'
Hey, nigga from the south, we get active. You hear that? You hear that?
We get on your ass like we some khakis on some West Coast shit. Niggas ain't like me, nigga. Yeah, niggas is not
Hey,
like
this
us.
thing is tough,
Niggas
bro.
is not like us. Niggas ain't like me, dope boy, white tee, fitted hat. I was shooting crap.
Niggas don't like me, white tees. Hey, subscribe right now if your art is clean like my white t-shirt.
Playing spades when you play pity pat. I was taught a nigga put his hands on you, then hit him back. And if he acting like he wanna put his hands on you, then hit him first. I was hopping out with trash bags and bitches full of work. You can ask the last few niggas to play with me, they'll tell you bullets hurt. And I ain't talking about the pews that you sit in, but I got that wooden church. If a church shooter come walking the sanctuary, I bet I put him down. I'm the one that up the skull on niggas, that's why I'm still in town. I get on your ass all by myself and make you simmer down. Nigga, you the type to meet the fucking plug and try to steal a pound when you could've got 100 on the face, but you a stupid nigga. They ain't gonna play with me when they see me, cause I'ma shoot the nigga. Ever since I was 3, they hate him.
Play with me as I will shoot the nigga. Hey, no violence on this channel, guys. Subscribe right now and thank you very much for the subscribe. And please do subscribe to One Code Music, alright? Yes, you will hear Dababy freestyle on that channel also. Okay? Yes, I got a new mix. Name Not Like Us. You understand? Yes, it's the same One Code, but Not Like Us mixtape. Go check it out. Go listening to it. Go share it right now. Yes.
Yeah, I'm kinda used to niggas. They calling I got them phone all through the night. I'm out in Houston with a vibe. Go against boss man, I boosty niggas. Believe that, nigga.
Hey, seems like Dababy owned the chain store, bro. He got heist. Seems like him own the fridge.
Point behind the tent, nigga, don't ever pull beside me. All them guns in your picks, niggas, you ever gonna get a body? I grab her by her neck and look in her eyes whenever she ride me. This ain't Karate Kid, I put that eye on Mr. Miyagi. This ain't for college kids, somebody gonna die in here if they try me. I'm one of the coldest rappers out here that's alive, but they tryna hide me. I was getting $400,000 a show and they still couldn't buy me. I leave when these bitch ass niggas right here on the floor, that's on my mama. These niggas ain't nothing like her baby. I be popping this shit for my daughter, these niggas ain't nothing like they daddy. I be popping this shit for my niece, these niggas ain't nothing like they I'ma make the fucking news every time they fuck with me or touch me. Oh, my motherfucking brother, nigga. Block a bitch, delete her motherfucking number. I ain't finna talk to you to the end of motherfucking.
Hey guys, if you do not subscribe, I will block you, okay? Subscribe right now. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Run it up.
Sports betting, talking about the over and under. I used to score extra, come get 4, I throw you another. Nigga, my life GTA, I'm really living the way I wanna. Ready to shoot like SGA, I ride with 2, you know it's thunder. Keep it 2, but you ain't stepped on shit. I'ma keep on tripping cause I'm slept on. The rawest nigga with a microphone and some headphones. When I catch a nigga, they gon' say that we did them dead wrong. Got a pocket full of big blue hunters, but I'm still fucking with a red bone. And fucking around with me bad for you, baby, better off doing hair wrong. And you know I like to get hair from, get head better when the hell on. Paranoid. I pull a pistol out and point at that shit still long. The bitch got about 2 weeks for me to care cause I don't really care long.
Hey, I wanna know, comment, who say Dababy is not tough, bro? This guy tough like a stone, bro, like a concrete, bro. Trust me, lyrics on top of lyrics. You hear that?
I would tell you that's the last niggas to play with me, but they're gone. Them niggas done called a flat and they can't come back. I guess they spare gone. I'm finna fly out to LAX and go have me some Grammy sex, smoke on me some Cali weed. Put a pistol in my galleries. I'm trying to see about a friend who wanna fuck, so now she mad at me. Play with me is pop, pop, pop. Another casualty. DOA.
Hey, play with me is pop, pop, pop. You feel a wop, wop, wop. Eh? You feel a wop,
to my BOA.
a pop.
Once a fucking month, I send the Zell to get my BM straight. Nigga play with me, gon' play in hell, bitch. I don't even play with kids, it ain't my family. Niggas see me and they ask me.
Yeah, we not play with kids, you understand? Yes, but your kids can subscribe to this channel as well. Alright, everyone in the family, subscribe. But we not play with kids. Is it me?
Niggas wonder why I ain't running from nothing, cause my last name Kirk and my big brothers was thugging, nigga. Yeah.
Yeah.
Another demonstration.
That's my baby.
Jano, people, Dababy tough. You understand? Yes, Dababy tough, people. This is Stone Love. But Stone Love will soon get in a mix and see what I go on. So may I say, yes. Yes, guys. Thank you. You reach the end of the video. You understand? Subscribe right now. Subscribe right now. Subscribe right now. Subscribe. Run it up. Run it up. Zine. Yes. And follow me on Instagram. Silk Code X. Okay? Alright. I'm out.